I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. Did you miss me? Anyway, in today's video, it is a contact lens review, try on. I don't have the first impression because y'all already know it's from ColorCL.com. All information and all links will be down below, as well as my coupon code. So make sure y'all check that out so y'all can get y'all some money off and be looking cute at the same damn time. But anyway, if y'all are new, welcome. Hey boo, hey, I see you. What's your poppin' or whatever? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right down below. And when y'all subscribe, and make sure y'all hit that notification bell. That way y'all be notified every time I upload a new video. Know what I'm saying? And if y'all are, I can't even talk today, y'all. If y'all are my hashtag Glam Dog Gang, what's your poppin'? What's up? Hey y'all. Anyway, if y'all want to see the new contacts that I got from ColorCL.com, which are brand new, they just launched, make sure y'all stay tuned and we're gonna get this try on. Okay, I'll holla. Okay, so before we try on, I'm gonna let you guys know about the contact lenses. Okay, so there are two types of Siesta contact lenses. These are monthly, so you can wear them for the month. After the month, throw them away and get you some more. Okay, there are two types: the Siesta Black Monthly Brown series and the Siesta Black Monthly Gray series. Okay, so I'm going to be showing both series, so that is a total of 10 pair of contact lenses. The launch date is February 8th. The price is, during the 2 weeks from launching, from February 8th to February 22nd, they're going to be $15 for a pair of contact lenses. But if you use my code, you will get some money off. They all, oh gosh, okay, they have contact lens solution, which is this right here. Sorry y'all, this is $4. And y'all, this is like the best contact lens solution, wetting, lubricating drops that I have ever had. I love these. I swear by these. So if y'all are looking for some eye drops or some contact lens solution, this is your best bet. Okay, and that is $4. So those are, they're $25, but if you go for the launching event, it's going to be $15, and then you can use my code Sherry10 to save y'all some money off. They have prescription, so y'all know they have prescription, and that is the same for the Siesta Brown and Gray series. Okay, y'all, and they also have some events that is going on. So make sure if y'all do check out the website, y'all click on the events and see what events or sales that they got going on. I know they have this one. You buy over 2 lenses and you get this free. So you buy 2 contact lenses and you get this one for free. And it's going to be 15 milliliters, okay? And then they have, nope, the New Year's one is over. And then if you buy 2 lenses, you get an animal case for free. I have a piggy one somewhere. I don't know where it is, but yeah, those are the things that they have right now that is going out. If you want to know some more, you can also check ColorCL.com. Thank you, ColorCL, for sending me these contact lenses so I can review for you guys, and because I love your product so much. And make sure y'all also check out their lashes, because they also have the Mimu lashes, which I swear by. I love them. They are great. I wear them a lot. Make sure y'all check them out as well too. Everything is affordable, and they shipping is fast. I got it within 6 days, so yeah. But anyway, let's get into these try-ons. Okay, y'all, I lied. Okay, I just want to show y'all. Okay, so this is the packaging, y'all. This is the packaging that it will come in, and you buy the whole thing. It's not just one, you buy the whole series, y'all. I think it's $15. You buy the whole series. So this is the Siesta monthly edition. This is the gray series, and you can tell because it's going to be all gray around the perimeter. And then they show you all the contact lenses in the back and their names, website, and all of that good stuff. It tells you to please follow the instructions, all that good stuff. So this is the gray series we're going to be trying on today. And this is the brown series that we are going to be trying on today. And y'all can tell because it has a gold packaging around the perimeter of the box. And these are the gold series, the brown series. Now let's go on to try them on, and make sure y'all let me know down below which ones y'all liked the most, or if y'all decide on getting a pair, let me know. Make sure you use my code. All right, now we really gonna do this. We gonna do this now, I promise. These are Romance Brown, y'all. Look at them. These are Romance Brown. And I think throughout this I'm just gonna put the title of them and do close-ups and zoom out, but I just wanted to show y'all these. These are the first ones. Let me zoom in some. Romance Brown. Okay, y'all, so that is all of my viewing, my try on for you guys for ColorCL.com. As I said in the previous clip in the beginning, I said that I will have all the names of the contact lenses in order so you guys know, but that really wouldn't matter because these come sold just like this. So you would pay for this for $15. You would get 5 pairs of contact lenses. So that's like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, $3 for a pair of contact lenses. So why not? These on that I have on right now are creamy gray. If y'all want to, y'all can look on the website to see if they sold separately, but I highly doubt that they are. But yeah, I hope you guys like. Let me know down below in the comment box which one is your favorite, and I don't know, maybe I'll purchase some and do a giveaway for you guys. So if y'all want to see that, make sure y'all thumbs up the video. And yeah, I really do love these contact lenses. For $15 for 5 pairs of contact lenses, you cannot beat that at all, okay? And if you use my discount code, that's like $13. That's $13 for 5 pairs of contact lenses. Shipping, you get it in like 6 days depending on, you know, where you live. But shipping is fast. Customer service is A1, y'all. You ask them a question, they will answer you, okay? They won't be like others and they won't answer you. They'll answer you right away. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends so they can know, they can get the tea on the contact lenses. They could buy some contact lenses or whatever. Be cute, because summertime is coming and we want to be cute. We want to be shop hopping or whatever. But yeah, I'm your girl Shay. I love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. I'm out.